Okay, today we will be talking about the 6th and 7th day of creation. I will show you how to use the text function so that you can add your name to whatever you like. I will show you how to do it on a nameplate, just as an example. We'll start out with sketch. Click the plane you want to sketch on. You can click rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle about 130 long and 25 wide. I think that's about the right size for most people's name to fit on. And then exit sketching. You can use this little box or this little cube up here to change your viewing angle. Makes it easy. I'm going to click the corner so we'll get a angled view, and then we can extrude this. Let's make it 2 millimeters thick. Now double click to select it. And this body that we have here will be the base plate. Let's make a copy of it that will actually have the text on it. So you click the copy, and then we can rotate this up so it'll be like a nameplate you could put on a table or a desk. I think about 60 degrees will be good. Now that is in the middle of the other one. We want to move it. Let's change our angle so we're looking straight on. And you can click on and hold on, drag this square around. That will move our body just in that plane. And get it so they overlap so that you'll have a strong connection point. You don't want it like this, or when I print it, it'll just fall apart. So we do it about there. We don't have much sticking out anywhere. We won't have anything sticking out here on the front edge, at least. Okay, now just click somewhere in the empty screen to unselect that. We can take a look at it here. Now we will put the text on here for your name. Just hold your mouse over it and push the space bar. Now click More and click Text. And then type your name in here. I'll do my name just for an example. The height, you can do whatever you want. I'll do maybe, it's like 12. 12 looks like it would fit pretty good, 12 millimeters. Click Continue. And if you like it, click Done. If you want to move it around, you can by dragging this. Click Done. Now we need to extrude the letters. So let's change our angle. I'm going to zoom in, and the easiest way to do this that I've found is trying to select all the letters at once. And you need to click Exit Sketching. There we go. Now hold your mouse inside the letter. You don't want to select the line, but inside of the letter, and you click to select it. Now we can extrude just this one letter, but it seemed like it makes the other letters disappear. So let's select them all. So to do that, to select more than one thing at a time, you will hold the Shift button. So now hold Shift down and carefully click inside each letter. making sure not to click the lines, but inside each letter. And if you need to move, you can let off of the shift and pan over, and then push the shift button again to keep selecting more letters. Once you have them and each piece of them, each of the letters selected, then you can extrude it like you normally would anything else. I think 1 millimeter is fine. Okay, now click somewhere else on the screen, and you are all done.